Are you aware of the silent dangers lurking in your diet? From hidden culprits in your favorite salad to the sweet dangers lurking in your pantry, we'll uncover the surprising foods that can pose risks to your kidneys. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's embark on this empowering journey together to take charge of our health. Number 10. Processed foods. Beware, food adventurers. Processed foods are kidney villains and health wrecker extraordinaires. Packed with sugars, bad fats, and sneaky additives, they lead to weight gain and chronic diseases. Their sidekick, sodium, bloats you up and spikes blood pressure. But fear not. Embrace whole foods and homemade goodness to defeat these foes and savor a life of vibrant health. Number 9. Sodium-rich foods. The salty storm of sodium-rich foods is lurking, ready to wreak havoc on your precious kidneys. These devious villains can turn your blood pressure into a tidal wave, putting immense strain on your body's filtration heroes, the kidneys. The quest for flavor may be tempting, but beware the hidden dangers of excessive salt intake. The siren's call of processed snacks, savory delights, and restaurant indulgences might be strong, but fear not. Arm yourself with knowledge and wield the power of moderation. Unleash the flavor-packed wonders of herbs and spices to conquer blandness without compromising your kidneys' welfare. Sail the seas of health with low-sodium choices, and your kidneys will cheer you on as you navigate towards a healthier horizon. Number 8. Red meat. While red meat may seem like the protein-packed hero of your diet, beware its dark side that threatens your kidneys. Devouring excessive amounts of red meat can cast a shadow over your kidney health, burdening these vital organs with a formidable task. The aftermath of this carnivorous feast leaves behind a trail of waste products that your kidneys must tirelessly filter. But fear not, for the key lies in balance. Embrace the art of moderation and diversify your protein sources with the likes of fish, poultry, legumes, and plant-based alternatives. By taming the red meat dragon and embracing a balanced diet, you'll unleash the true power of your kidney knights, safeguarding your health and conquering your culinary kingdom. Number 7. Sugar. The sweet temptations that beckon us into the land of sugary delights. But beware, for the path of excessive sugar consumption leads to dire consequences, especially for your loyal kidney companions. Sugar, the cunning villain, has a secret alliance with its sidekick, obesity, and together they plot against your kidneys. As the numbers on the scale creep higher, so does the risk of developing diabetes, a formidable foe to kidney health. These malevolent forces put undue stress on your kidneys, diminishing their ability to function optimally. But fret not, brave souls. Arm yourselves with the knowledge of hidden sugars in processed foods and the art of mindful sweetness. Let the natural sugars of fruits and a touch of honey be your allies on this journey. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. Beware of the treacherous realm of artificial sweeteners, for they are the stealthy foes lurking in the shadows of your favorite low-calorie treats. These cunning adversaries may seem like a savior to those seeking to cut down on sugar, but their true intentions lie hidden beneath their saccharine facade. Some studies hint at their potential links to kidney damage when consumed in excessive quantities, raising concerns about their impact on these vital filtration wizards. The key lies in vigilance. Use these sweeteners sparingly and opt for natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit when possible. Number 5. Sugary drinks. These enchanting beverages harbor a perilous secret that poses a threat to your kidneys and beyond. Regularly indulging in sugary sodas is akin to opening the floodgates of health woes. Their devilish concoction of sugars floods your system, paving the way for obesity, diabetes, and, worst of all, kidney damage. But wait, it gets worse. The dark magic of phosphoric acid and colas can draw calcium out of your bones, leaving them vulnerable and weakening the very fortress that safeguards your kidneys' health. But fear not, for you hold the power of choice. Unleash the refreshing force of water, the natural elixir of life, and let it cleanse and protect your precious kidneys. Embrace the vibrant flavors of infused water, herbal teas, and natural fruit juices. Raise your glass to a life well lived, where your kidneys reign supreme and you are the true hero of your health saga. Number 4. Alcohol. Indulgence in excessive drinking sets sail on a perilous voyage, where dehydration becomes its trusted companion. As the alcohol flows, it commandeers your body's water reserves, leaving your kidneys high and dry, toiling overtime to flush out toxins. The aftermath is a battle-scarred internal landscape, with inflamed and damaged kidneys as the unfortunate casualties. But fear not, for you possess the helm of control. Choose moderation, and you'll steer clear of these tumultuous waters. Savor the occasional toast, but let the true captain of your ship be water, your kidney's loyal ally and the harbinger of health. Number 3. Caffeine. While it may grant you a temporary surge of energy and focus, it also possesses the power to raise blood pressure, putting added strain on your hard-working kidney guardians. Moreover, its diuretic effect may cause dehydration, leading to a perilous journey through the desert of kidney health. But fear not, brave soul. There's no need to banish caffeine entirely from your realm. Embrace its power wisely, and let moderation be your guide. Savor your daily dose of coffee or tea, but balance it with ample water to keep your kidneys well hydrated and on guard against any adversities. Choose the path of harmony, where your kidneys reign as champions, and your love for caffeine finds its perfect balance. Number 2. Dairy products. Dairy products, the majestic rulers of this domain, hold the keys to both nourishment and potential harm. Their bounty of calcium and phosphorus can be a boon to bone health, yet too much of a good thing can lead to kidney troubles. The intricate dance of these minerals requires careful harmony, for an excess of phosphorus can burden your kidneys, hindering their mighty filtration powers. But fret not, for the path to kidney well-being lies in informed choices. Embrace the riches of dairy with mindful portions and consider low phosphorus alternatives. Number 1. High Oxalate Foods. Welcome to the realm of high oxalate foods, where seemingly innocent culinary delights can become the architects of kidney stone chaos. Among the lush gardens of nature, some treasures conceal a secret menace, oxalates being the mischievous culprits. These cunning compounds may lurk in otherwise wholesome foods like spinach, rhubarb, and beets, stealthily forming kidney stones in susceptible souls. Fear not, for knowledge is your shield. Arm yourself with awareness of high oxalate foods and their quantities. Embrace the power of balance, coupling these delicacies with hydrating allies like water and citric juices to mitigate their stone-forming potential. Master the art of prevention, and your kidneys will stand tall, unfazed by the threat of kidney stones, while you revel in the splendors of a diverse and nourishing diet. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of your kidneys. Remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.